trapped in dark magical vines. Mira, though afraid, stepped forward. With one brave touch of the glowing feather, the vines burst into silver star dust, and the phoenix was free. The great bird lowered its shining wings and gently touched Mira's shoulders. Silver sparkles wrapped around her like warm starlight. A voice echoed in her heart. For your courage, I give you the gift you've always dreamed of. The wind lifted her. She rose into the sky higher, higher, flying beside the midnight phoenix, leaving a trail of silver light behind her. The stars glowed brighter, as if celebrating her courage. When Mira returned to Silverwind, the villagers watched in stunned silence. Their little dreamer was truly flying. The phoenix soared above her as she landed gently on the ground. And from that night on, no one in Silverwind ever said impossible again.